Welcome to the Mluka Academy. Myself Anil Kumar Skija, your mathematics teacher, class 9th, and we were doing the number system. So we have covered many things in this, but we are left with. So first of all, we have got some questions on simplification. So simplify 305 So this is 3 root 5 minus 5 root 2 into 4 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So this is just the multiplication of two irrational numbers. When we have to multiply these two irrational numbers, what we will do? We will multiply the rational part with the rational part and the irrational part with the irrational part under the under root. So now using the distributive law, first we multiply 3 under root 5 and 4 under root 5. So this is 3 4s are 12, under root 5, it makes 5. Then next is 3 under root 5 into 3 root 2. So this will be 3 3s are 9 under root 10 minus 20 under root 10, and this is minus 15 into under root 2, it will be 2. Now this will be 60 minus 11 root 10 minus 30. So this will be 30 minus 11 root 10. So this comes out to be simplification. After simplification we get this answer. The next is find value of A such that 6 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 equal to 3 root 2 minus A root 3. So here we have to find the value of A. So first we will simplify the left hand side. So for simplification what we have to do? We have to rationalize the denominator. So rationalization factor is, so this is 6 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So its rationalization factor is same thing with the, here it is negative, we will convert this with the positive sign, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Now this comes to be 18 root 2, 12 root 3, and in the denominator we have A minus B, A plus B. So that simply comes out to be A square minus B square. So this will be A square is 3 root 2 the square minus 2 root 3 square. So this will be equal to 18 root 2 plus 12 root 3 upon, so this is 9 2s are 18 minus 4 3s are 12. So 18 root 2 plus 12 root 3 upon 6. So this will be equal to 18 upon 6 is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So but what we are given here, right side is given as, so we have got this as 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, and right side is given as 3 root 2 minus a root 3. Now if we compare both sides, first term is same. We have got 3 root 2 in both the sides, and then we have got 2 root 3, and on the right side we have got minus a root 3. So comparing, we get minus a is equal to 2, a is equal to minus 2. So value of a is minus 2. So likewise, next question is, on the similar basis we have got find a if 5 plus 2 under root 3 upon 7 plus 4 root 3, this is equal to a minus 6 under root 3. We have to find a. So यहाँ पे हमने a की वैल्यू निकालनी है. So again we will be rationalizing the denominator on the left hand side. So we will simplify the left hand side, equate it to the right hand side, then on comparison we will get the value of a as we did in this question. So what will be the rationalization factor of in this question? We have got 7 plus 4 root 3 in the denominator. So its RF will be 7 minus 4 root 3. So what we will do, multiply and divide by 7 minus 4 root 3. So this is rationalization. So we are rationalizing. So what we will get here, it is 5 plus 2 root 3, 7 plus 4 root 3 multiply by 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. So we have multiplied and divided by the rationalizing factor. Now here we will multiply in the numerator as 7, 5 sevens are 35, 5 fours are 20 root 3, then 14 root 3 minus 8 into 3 upon 7 square minus 4 root 3 square. Now this comes out to be 35 minus 24, this is 24, and this is minus 20 root 3 plus 14 under root 3 upon this is 49 minus 16 into 3, 48. So this is 11 minus 6 root 3 upon 1 there. We are given 1 here. And this is given to us, the right hand side is given as a minus 6 under root 3. So we can see very clearly value of a comes out to be 11. So the value of a is 11. So just see, look at these questions very carefully. These are very easy. What we did, we have multiplied and divided by the rationalization factor, simplified it, then we have compared the values and get the value of a in both the cases. So we will move to similar questions, and before that I will rub it. Then next is 3 minus root 5, 3 minus under root 5 upon 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a under root 5 minus 19 upon 11. Here we have to find a. Again we have to find a here. So how we can get a here? Taking the rational factor, multiply and divide by 3 minus 2 root 5, because here we have got 3 plus 2 root 5, and what we will get here? 3 minus under root 5, 3 plus 2 root 5, 3 minus 2 root 5 upon 3 minus 2 root 5. Now this comes out to be 3 3s are 9, minus 6 root 5 minus 3 root 5 plus 2 into 5, 10 upon this is 3 square minus 2 root 5 square. So this is 19 minus 9 root 5 upon 9 minus 20. So this is 19 minus 9 root 5 upon minus 11. So which is minus 19 by 11 minus 9 plus 9 by 11 under root 5. So now we are given here as a under root 5 minus 19 by 11. So clearly value of a is 9 by 11. It is the coefficient of under root 5. So this will be the clear value of this. So next question. Two plus root 3 under root 2 plus under root 3 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is equal to 2 minus b under root 6. So here we have to find b. We have to find the value of b here. So again we rationalize it. So this will be under root 2 plus under root 3 upon 3 plus 3 under root 2 minus 2 under root 3. Rationalized factor will be 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So this will be 3 2s are 6 here. Then 2 root 6. 2 root 6, then this will be 3 root 6 plus 2 into 3, 6 upon 3 under root 2 square minus 2 under root 3 square. Now this comes out to be 12 plus 5 under root 6 upon 9 2s are 18, 4 3s are 12. So this will be 12 plus 5 root 6 upon 6. So this will be 2 plus 5 upon 6 under root 6. And we are given this is equal to 2 minus b under root 6. So comparing the both the sides, we see that minus b is equal to 5 by 6 and b is equal to minus 5 by 6. So this will be the clear value of b from here. Then we are given question of another type. We are given a. If a is equal to 2 plus under root 3, हमें क्या पता करना है? Find a minus 1 by a plus 1 by a. So तो ये दोनों की वैल्यू पता करनी है हमें। तो क्या आएगी इसकी वैल्यू? सो पहले हमें इसके लिए क्या चाहिए, हमें 1/a चाहिए। सो 1/a क्या हो जाएगा, 1/a विल बी इक्वल टू 1/2 प्लस √3। अब इसमें क्या आ गया, जो रैशनल पार्ट है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया। तो इसमें क्या होगा, हम इसको रैशनलाइज करेंगे। सो रैशनलाइज करने के लिए रैशनलाइजेशन फैक्टर 2 माइनस √3, 2 माइनस √3, तो 1/a क्या आ जाएगा, 2 माइनस √3 अपॉन ये क्या है, a प्लस बी, a माइनस बी, a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, 2 स्क्वायर माइनस √3 स्क्वायर विच विल बी 2 माइनस √3 अपॉन 4 माइनस 3 विच इज 2 माइनस √3। अब हमें क्या पता करना है, एक तो पता करना है a माइनस 1/a। तो क्या आ जाएगा, a की वैल्यू है 2 प्लस √3 माइनस 2 माइनस √3। तो क्या आ जाएगा, 2 प्लस √3 माइनस 2 प्लस √3, 2 से 2 कट जाएगा, क्या आ जाएगा 2√3। और क्या करना है हमें, इसको ऐड करना है a प्लस 1/√a, a प्लस 1/a, a की वैल्यू क्या है 2 प्लस √3 प्लस 2 माइनस √3, √3 कट जाएगा, आंसर क्या आ जाएगा 4। So these are the, so next we will be turning to the simplification of the some irrational numbers, but before that take a look of it and clean the board before we proceed further. So the next is, we have to simplify the numbers. So the question is, simplify क्या इसमें, √45 माइनस 3√20 प्लस 4√5। सो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे। सो एज वी हैव डन लास्ट टाइम आल्सो, द नंबर विच इज in the under root, we will make the possible rational factors of it, and those which can be taken out by having the square root. For example, this 45 can be written as under root 9 into 5, minus 320 can be written as 4 into 5 plus 4 under root 5. Now 9 can be taken out because we know that square root of 9 is 3. So this is 3 under root 5 minus this is 3 into 2 under root 5 because square root of 4 is 2 plus 4 under root 5. So 3 under root 5 minus 6 under root 5 plus 4 under root 5. 3 और 4 क्या हो गए, 7√5 minus 6√5 and we will get under root 5 as the answer. सेकेंड इसमें है, सिंप्लीफाई करना है, √24/8 √54/9। तो इसमें क्या होगा, हमारे पास है 24, सो इसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, 4 × 6/8 प्लस इसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, 9 × 6/8। अब √4 हमें पता है किसके बराबर होता है, 2 के इक्वल टू होता है, सो ये हो जाएगा 2/8 √6 प्लस 3√6/8/9. So this is 9 here. So this we do the cutting 1/4. This is 1/3. So this will be √6 we can take common and we are left with 1/4 plus 1/3. So this is 7/12 √6. So this is the simplification of this question. The next is third is 4 √28 upon divided by 3 √7. So very simple question. So what we have to do, we have to simply, this is 4 into √7 upon 3 √7. So this is 4 into 2 √7 upon 4 into 2 √7 upon √7. So these two cancels out, this comes out to be 8/3. Then fourth is fourth power of 81 minus 8 cube root of 216 plus 15 into fifth root of 32 plus square root 225. So we will simplify it. So first of all, 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4. Then we have got fourth power raised to power 1/4 minus 8 into 216 can be written as 6 raised to power 3. Then it has got power 1/3 plus 15. 32 we can write it as 2 raised to power 5. Then we have got 1/5 plus, so this is under root 225. So that can be given as 15. So this will be, this cancels out 3. This is minus 48. 15 2s are 30 plus 15. So this is 45 and 3 48 minus 48. This is equal to 0. तो ये 0 के इक्वल आ जाएगा. इसी तरह से हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड 1 क्यूब 2 क्यूब 3 क्यूब रेज़ टू पावर, इसका अंडर रूट निकालना है हमने. तो क्या आएगा, ये 1 क्यूब 1 के बराबर ही आ जाएगा, 2 का क्यूब 8 हो जाएगा और 3 का क्यूब 27. इसका अंडर रूट निकालना है. दिस इज 36 की पावर 1/2. दिस इज 6 स्क्वायर की पावर 1/2 है. सो दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 6. The next is 6 is 1/27 raised to power -2/3. सो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा इसमें. सो इसकी पावर हम पॉजिटिव करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये 1 में आ जाएगा. सो 1/27 है, ये क्या बन जाएगा 27 की पावर 2/3. So this 27 can be written as 3 cross 3 cross 3 की power 2 by 3 है. So this is 3 raised to power 3 की power 2 by 3. So this is 3 square is equal to 9. ये 9 के इक्वल आ जाएगा. Then next is seventh part is here. This is 625 raised to power minus half is then power minus 1 by 4, then square of it. So we will be solving it. So first of all is 625 raised to power minus 1 by 2. So this can be considered as positive by 1 by 625 raised to power 1 by 2, then power minus 1 by 4, and whole is square. So what is 625? This is 25 square. So we can write it as 1 by 25 square raised to power 1 by 2, then minus 1 by 4 into 2. So this cancels out. So this is 1 by 25 raised to power, this cancels out, minus 1 by 2. Now again we get the reciprocal to change the power. So this will be 25 raised to power 1 by 2, which is 5 square into 1 by 2, this cancels out. So answer comes out to be 5. So just take a look of this and then we will move to the next part. We will do more questions on simplification. So first I erase this. So the next is 9 raised to power 1 by 3, 27 raised to power minus 1 by 2 upon 3 raised to power 1 by 6 into 3 raised to power minus 2 by 3. So we have to simplify it. So we see this question, this has got different exponents and different bases. Moreover, in the downward we have got the same base 3 and 3, and there also we can change this to 3. So we change all these bases to the 3 raised to power. Likewise for 9 we can write 3 square, then we have got power 1 by 3 into this is 3 raised to power 3, this is minus 1 by 2 upon 3 raised to power 1 by 6 and 3 raised to power minus 2 by 3. So now it comes out to be 3 raised to power 2 by 3 into 3 raised to power minus 3 by 2 upon 3 raised to power 1 by 6 into 3 raised to power minus 2 by 3. Okay, we can shift this to 3 raised to power 2 by 3 and this will be 3 raised to power 2 by 3. This comes up and this is 3 raised to power 1 by 6 and 3 raised to power 2 by 3 by 2. Now all the bases are 3. So now we can change this to, we can add the two bases in the numerator and also in the denominator. So this is 3 raised to power 4 by 3, and here it will be 3 raised to power, this is 6. So this will be 1 plus 9. So this will be 3 raised to power 4 by 3 upon 3 raised to power 10 by 6. So this comes out to be 5 by 3. Then next is 3 raised to power 4 by 3, and in the numerator we have got 3 raised to power 5 by 3. So when we divide the two numbers with the same base but with the different exponents, so the exponents will be subtracted. So this can be written as 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So this will be 3 raised to power minus 1 by 3. So this will be the answer. The next is (64 raised to power minus 1 upon 3), 64 raised to power 1 by 3 minus 64 raised to power 2 by 3. So here what we get, so this will be your 1 by 64 raised to power 1 by 3, 64 raised to power 1 by 3 minus 64 raised to power 2 by 3. Now 64 base can be changed to base 4. Since we know that 64 can be expressed as the product of 3 fours. So for example, this is 64. If we divide it by 4, we get 16. Again divided by 4, we get 4. So 464 is equal to 4 raised to power 3. So we change here. So this will be 1 by 4 raised to power 3, 1 by 3, 4 raised to power 3, 1 by 3 minus 4 raised to power 3, 2 by 3. So these cancels out. So this is 1 by 4, 4 minus 4 square. This is 1 by 4, 4 minus 16, 1 by 4 into minus 12. So this is equal to minus 3. This will be your required answer. The next is 8 raised to power 1 upon 3, 16 raised to power 1 by 3 upon 32 raised to power minus 1 by 3. Again we have got different bases, but this can be changed to the same exponents. So we can write this as 8 raised to power 1 by 3, 16 raised to power 1 by 3 into 32 raised to power 1 by 3. So when we have got the same exponent and different bases, they can be multiplied and the same power can be given as single power. So we can write it as 8 into 16 into 32 raised to power 1 by 3. So instead of multiplying all these numbers then converting it into power, so we convert these bases to simpler powers of 2. Now we know that 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, 16 can be written as 2 raised to power 4, 32 can be written as 2 raised to power 5, it is 1 by 3, so this is 2 raised to power 12, 1 by 3, so this will be 2 raised to power 12 into 1 by 3, this is 4, 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So this results into 16. So just take a note of it, then we will do some more questions. So but before that, we will clean this board. One more question in this is, we have to simplify 5, 8 raised to power 1 by 3, 27 raised to power 1 by 3, whole cube, then raised to power 1 by 4. So now we can convert this 8 as 2 raised to power 3 1 by 3 plus 27 we can write as 3 raised to power 3, again 1 by 3 power, then cube and 1 by 4. So this will be, this cancels out, this cancels out. So this is 5 into 2 3s are 2 plus 3 is 5 cube here, 1 by 4. So 5 raised to power 4, 1 by 4 cancels out, this comes out to be 5. So answer is 5 here. So we erase it and then move to the next questions. So then next we change the numbers to P upon Q form. So express the numbers in P upon Q forms. So we are given number as 0.8888 and so on. So we have to convert it into the P upon Q form. So this will be, let it be x is equal to this, x is equal to 0.8 raised to power bar. Now this is the recurring number. We have to convert it into P upon Q form. So what is this? This can also be read, there are so many number of 8s. So if I multiply it by 10, so this is first equation, multiply by 10, rather than I write this as 8 bar. So multiply this as this is 1, multiply, or x is equal to 0.8 bar, multiply by 10 we get. So this will be 10x is equal to 8.8 bar, because this number is 0.88888. When we multiply it, 8 comes out of this decimal. So we subtracted x is equal to 0.8 bar. This is 9x is equal to 8. X will be equal to 8 upon 9. And similarly, like this, we have got second question, x is equal to 5 to upper bar. Again multiply by 10, we get. So this will be 10x will be equal to 52.2, x is 5.2 bar, subtracting, what we get, 9x is equal to 47 and x is equal to 47 by 9. So we will continue with the same in the next lecture. So thanks for watching the lecture. Thank you.